Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Motor Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point, doing a tune-up on a Chrysler, but this goes with all vehicles. If you see safety things like this on your connectors, all you have to do is take your little screwdriver. There we go. Trying to get you in focus. You move it forward, just like that, and you can take your hand and pull it off. Otherwise, I could press for the rest of my life. This is not going to come off. They're just safety little things on most electrical connectors. These are the fuel injectors, and as you can see, they're all over the vehicles. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for your donations. We take your donations you give to us, and we help those who are on fixed income, such as senior citizens and etc. Thank you.